Morning guys, today is the 9th of August 2023 and the time now in Ireland here, it's 8:58 a.m. which is 3:58 a.m. in New York, and this is around the time of the day when I'm hunting for a trade on the Eurodollar, and sometimes there's no trade. I really want to see, the second I open my chart, something really obvious happening in order to take a trade. So many days I don't take a trade. So let me just show you today. It's an example of a no trade day for me. Although I have a good idea where price is going to, I want to see a very high probability setup before I take a trade. So let's have a look at the charts here. So we're looking at a 15-minute Eurodollar chart. In my opinion, the draw on liquidity is up here above market, where that blue line is. So I'll just draw a little box up here. So that's where I believe the draw on liquidity is too. You can see in the 15-minute chart, we've kind of been slowly trending up here. And 3 a.m. window to 4 a.m. windows between these two dotted lines here is when I like to look for trades. So if we zoom down to a 5-minute, you can see at 8 a.m. we had a spike above these highs. We're just kind of consolidating here before moving higher. But my analysis starts on the daily charts, okay? So if we look at the daily chart, so this is a no trade day for me, so I don't see an obvious high probability setup. So this is why I'm not taking any trade this morning. We can see here on the daily chart, there was a previous fair value gap over here below market. So that's a fair value gap on the daily chart. See between this candle's high, this candle's low. Price has come down. It's kind of bounced there, moved away, bounced again. And I believe that the draw on liquidity is up towards this previous daily high. So price could try to move up towards that previous daily high. If you look closely, there's also a volume imbalance above market here. So we may have trouble getting above that potentially, but that's where I believe the draw on liquidity to be right now. So why not just go long and take a long trade? Well, I need to see my setups on the lower time frames. Also, there was a volume imbalance below market here. Just mark that up on the daily. Price came down. We had this volume imbalance. Price spiked down into it. So it looks like we're kind of bottoming here with potential draw on liquidity higher. So let's go back to, let's have a look at the 15-minute chart. So 8 a.m. Irish time is here. There was a sell side liquidity sweep at this low. I'll just mark that up. This is a previous sell side liquidity sweep there. Market broke down below and moved away. So that sell side liquidity sweep may currently be in play for this buy side level, which is above market. And that looks like what's playing out here. However, I personally don't like where the market is at right now to take a long trade. Had this sell side liquidity sweep taken place at the correct time, let's say if this was 8 a.m. here, then I would definitely be looking for a long. But because of where we are in this range, it's not a trade that interests me. I know if I wait patiently, there's higher probability trades around the corner. Some of you may zoom into this and see that, okay, well, on the 15-minute chart, there is an order block here. So, that could be, for someone, a potential entry. So some people may enter on an order block here. If price comes down, maybe buy here with a hope that price moves higher. But I'm not looking to force trades. I'm not looking for a trade every day. I want nice, obvious setups. If I'm going long, I want a liquidity sweep at the lows, at sell side. This is a continuation play if you decide to take this trade. If you look closely, there's also a fair value gap over here in this 15-minute chart between this candle's high, this candle's low. So that does support this trend continuing, because price already came into this fair value gap, moved above it. We had a close in this 15-minute candle. So there's good potential for this to keep moving higher. Potentially, some traders may look at a Fibonacci retracement level here that aligns with this order block as a potential trade. But now we're getting to 9 a.m. in the morning or 4 a.m. New York time. It's just not a clean, obvious setup, and that's why I'm not taking it. So it's a short video, guys. It's just to show you that not every day there's a trade. Number 2, only take the setups that adhere to your trading plan. So if you ever got your trading plan, you know exactly what you're looking for, when you're looking for it, and only take them setups. And if you don't see something that you like, just wait for the following day. Tomorrow, there's going to be a big news event at US Open. I believe it's CPI data, and I will be looking potentially for trades after that. So speak to you soon, guys. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye-bye.